In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check order status on Foodpanda. To get started, open the Foodpanda app on your phone and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the same account you used to place the order, because that's where your active and past orders will appear. Once you're in, you'll be ready to check the latest update on your delivery. Next, go to your account section by tapping Profile or your account icon. From there, select Orders or My Orders, depending on how it appears in your version of the app. This area shows your order history, and it's also where you can find any current order that is still being processed or delivered. Look for your active order and open it to see more details. When you view the order status, you may see several updates along the way. If it says order placed, that means Foodpanda has received your order. Restaurant confirmed means the restaurant has accepted it. Preparing means your food is currently being made. Rider assigned tells you that a delivery rider has been matched to your order. Picked up means the rider has already collected the food. On the way means your delivery is heading to you. And delivered means the order has arrived. These status updates help you understand exactly where your order is in the process. If tracking is available, open your active order and look for the delivery map. This is useful because it gives you a more visual update in real time. On that screen, you can usually check the rider's location, the estimated delivery time, and any delivery updates. If the map takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, as app tracking can sometimes refresh gradually. If something doesn't look right, or if you need more help, open the order details and tap Help or Support. Then choose the issue that matches your situation and follow the instructions shown in the app. This is the best place to report delays, missing items, or other delivery concerns, because it connects your request directly to that specific order. Finally, once your order arrives, receive it and check that your items are complete. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that everything you ordered is included. If the app asks you to rate your experience, you can leave feedback there as well. And that's how to check your order status on Foodpanda.